Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you Android secret settings to increase internal storage. So guys, if you are a Samsung user, then you need to just dial in your phone star hash 9900 hash, and after dialing this, you will see these options here, and you need to just select the second option, delete dump state lock cat, and after selecting it just click on OK, and by this you can increase internal storage. But if you are a Xiaomi user like me, you need to go to your settings and just click on about phone, and here you can see MIUI version. Just tap on it 7 times, and after tapping it 7 times you will be a developer, and just go back and search for developer options, and now in the developer options scroll, and here you can see USB debugging. Just turn this option on, and turning it on you can just increase your internal storage. So guys, that's how you can increase internal storage on Android device. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.